Everybody, Jordan, Hazel's Humble Homestead. We were out in the woods today. It is hot. It's like 90 some degrees. Probably feels like 100 and something. But the boys have a zip line that they got, I think, I don't know, like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. Anyways, we haven't put it up. They've cleared this area out. This area used to be full of trees. They've done a good job clearing it out, so we're gonna put the zip line up today and see how that goes. So the zip line's gonna start at the big tree back there by their fort, and it's gonna run down here. This is about 75 feet to this tree here.
So which one? That one?
72.
Yes, thank you.
How many, Easton? What'd you say?
72.
Perfect.
What Daddy said.
So we've trimmed up some branches here. We cut some wood 2x4 blocks for the cable to go around to protect the tree, and we're gonna nail those up now. So this is the company we got this from, Backyard Zip Lines. This is their 100-foot kit, and everything came nice. It's got this nice big spring brake there. It's got the handle for the actual zip line part, and then we also opted for the seat.
And this is not sponsored.
No, not at all. So we are putting some of the stuff together. This is a big turnbuckle here. This is so we can adjust our tension. Easton is putting that together now, and then we're going to start running our cable and hopefully do it all right. The instructions are very detailed. Probably too many instructions for me, so we're just kind of winging it. A lot of measuring and stuff, and I don't want to measure. So, yeah, we're just going to kind of wing it, and we'll let Graham try it out first and see how it goes. It comes with this cable here that's got loops on each end that hook into your turnbuckle. We just put some temporary nails in up here just to hold this up there until we can get tension on it, and then we'll take those nails out. But then we got our turnbuckle here, and this is what will adjust our tension, and then we got the rest of our cable here. And we're going to slide on put our stop block on next, and then our spring, and then we'll run this to the next tree.
So now we're putting the brake spring on it. Run it all the way through the cable. Took the one end off of it. Stop. Push it a little further. Here. Go. Okay, stop. There, go. Okay, now you hold this end. No, this end under the wire, and I'll run this down.
Easton just did the zip line. Ray, is it warm out? This is a seldom seen view of Jordan reading the instructions.
Just checking. need to be able to hold on to that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's good.
Can you reach that guy?
I can. No, he can just hold the rope.
I don't know if that's the best idea, just hold on that rope, is it?
Yeah.
But he's not going to be able to reach the top of it, so that's what he's going to have to do.
He'd have to be way up here, which mine over his head would be grinding.
Keep your feet up! Woo!
Go ahead.
Ready?
All right, we got the zip line done. It's hot. Heat index says it's 108, so there he goes. We're gonna go inside and cool off for a little bit. It is set up. It is a little low to the ground in one spot there towards the end, but until the guys get the hang of it, I think we're gonna leave it. And then once they get better at it, we will raise it up so it's a little bit higher, but don't really want them falling very far. So what do you guys think of it?
Good. Good.
It's good, huh? Okay. Awesome. Well, you guys heard it from them. It's good. So go buy you one, I guess. Would you buy one?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll leave a link down below
You're gonna get in.
of that zip line. Not sponsored or anything, but the boys like it. So we'll catch you guys next time.